Are you thinking of purchasing new countertops for your kitchen or bathroom? Legacy Countertops is here to help. We specialize in the design, fabrication, and installation of countertops, stone accents, and tile backsplashes. We offer a wide selection of granite, marble, quartz, and other premium materials to meet the unique needs of your home and business. Our expert team is always ready to help you choose the best material and design for your remodeling project. Plus, we use the latest in cutting technology to ensure a perfect fit every time. Inspire design and install confidence with Legacy Countertops. Schedule an appointment with us today.